at the North Central LLEN, our vision is to foster children and young people who are confident and capable and on their way to success in life and work. This vision was close to our heart in 2019 as we undertook a diverse range of programmes and activities to create opportunities for children and young people, and here are some of these.
Over the last 12 months, we have collaborated with 385 children and young people to co-design our programs and activities to ensure they meet the needs of these children and young people. We have actively worked with 15 schools, 5 preschools and 6 playgroups, and engaged and partnered with 7 healthcare groups. More than 80 businesses have worked with us through our Careers and Pathways program. We've partnered with 2 philanthropic organisations and received funding from 3 government departments, as well as working collaboratively with 30 other LLENs across Victoria. In 2019, more than 50 young people were supported in their VET placements, and more than 30 industry professionals provided opportunities for young people to gain exposure to their industries. 55 children and young adults participated in mentoring activities, 312 young people took part in Engage activities, 52 in local government planning, 23 in the L2P program, and 10 reconnected to education through the Flexible Learning Options program. 395 young people were assisted with individual career pathways, and the new Strong Family, Strong Children Bull Oak received funding support from the Helen McPherson Smith Trust.
18 Year 9 students from St Arnaud Secondary College participated in the school's annual Broader Horizons program, with students given the choice between 3 industry areas: health, local government and agriculture. The program ran for 4 weeks. During the first 3 weeks, students visited workplaces and connected with employers and staff in their chosen industry. In week 4, students participated in tailored tertiary tours where they were able to learn about courses available, visit the training facilities and view campus accommodation.
During 2019, the Career and Pathways coordinators provided personal, student-led career sessions to nearly 400 students in years 9 to 12 in the 9 cluster schools. The career action plans developed in these meetings were shared with the student and parents to promote additional conversations around possible pathways. The Pathways coordinators also work closely with staff at each school to coordinate mock interviews, providing support for the students to formulate resumes and cover letters, helping build student capacity. Year 12 students were further supported to complete their VTAC applications, scholarship, accommodation applications and change of preference.
This year, over 100 students and employers took part in the Structured Workplace Learning program, which provides students with the opportunity to integrate practical, on-the-job experience with nationally recognised training undertaken as part of either the VCE or the VCAL, VCE Industry and Enterprise, or VCAL units. A number of SWL placements have resulted in school-based apprenticeships and traineeships, which is a wonderful reflection on both the generosity of our local businesses investing in our young people, as well as the value that schools and students place on the program.
The LLEN supports the facilitation of the MATES, which stands for Mentor, Assist, Target, Engage, Skills, mentoring programs in Wedderburn, Witchyproof, Donald and Pyramid Hill. Working with each of the local coordinators, we provide access to resources and support. More than 55 students and adults participated in the MATES program across the 4 schools.
10 students participated in the 2019 Flexible Learning Options program. Activities undertaken during the year included delivering Meals on Wheels in Charlton each month, a Mother's Day stall at the Charlton College Fete, undertaking Road Smart training, workplace visits, barista and food safety training, attending the Loddon Youth Health Expo and participation in the VET Taster Day at the Trades Training Centre.
2019 was a mixed year for the Bull Oak Loddon L2P program, with the unexpected passing of long-time coordinator Matt Bennett at the start of the year. Matt was a true champion for young people, and he has and will continue to be greatly missed. Once appointed, new coordinator Peter Irish has done a fantastic job rebuilding the program despite our Astra blowing up and leaving us 1 car down until the purchase of Matt's specifically designed driving instructor vehicle late in the year. Despite all this, 23 young people took part in the L2P program, which helps them complete their mandatory 120 hours of supervised on-road driving experience.
The major goal of the Engage program is to help young people get involved in their communities. Regular presentations to the Bullockshire councillors help achieve this. At the Watcham Council briefing, Dana Norris and Olivia Lyons presented their perspective as young people, openly same-gender attracted and gender diverse, living in a small rural community. The girls outlined some simple strategies they feel would help like-minded people feel better understood by those around them, and noted there could be more information available to Bullock residents relating to the LGBTI+ community that could help break down some of the stigma. Council was impressed with the way the girls articulated their strong convictions. They also committed to flying a pride flag as part of the International Day against homophobia, biphobia, internaphobia and transphobia.
2019 was the second year of our 3-year Strong Family, Strong Children Loddon project, which aims for all children in Loddonshire to start school ready to learn. The partnership aims to change the system one child and family at a time in order to progress towards a sustainable, evaluated model that has the potential to be scaled to help children in other rural areas. We thank the William Ncllen Foundation for their support of this important initiative.
At the end of 2019, North Central LLEN received funding from the Helen McPherson Smith Trust to deliver a new early years program designed to ensure all children in the Bullockshire start school ready to learn. The North Central LLEN will work in partnership with the Shire to engage an early years facilitator to work with families and children to connect them to local education, health and wellbeing support services.
In closing, we would like to acknowledge the passion and dedication of both our board and staff members in helping to create opportunities for all children and young people to be on their way to success in education, work and life. And to our 2019 sponsors and partners, thank you. It is a pleasure to work alongside you to champion our amazing North Central children and young people. To quote Nelson Mandela, "History will judge us by the difference we make in the everyday life of children."